let's study more about sets. As we have seen that sets is nothing but if we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of given collection, then that collection is called a set. So very most important thing that we should be able to definitely and clearly decide the objects of the given collection. Then and then it is called a set. So this is about set. Now how to write a set? Generally the name of the set is given using capital letters, capital A, B, C till Z, any letter we can use. And the members or the elements of the sets are shown by using small letters A, B, C and so on. So the name is written by capital letters and members or elements by small letters. So this is certain codes which we have to use. Mathematics or especially sets is full of all this use of symbols. We should know each and every symbol, what is the meaning of it and where and how it should be used. One more symbol we will see that a set is how to write. A set is always written between a curly bracket. That means like this we have to write the set in between the curly brackets, whatever your set. And one more symbol, let's see. The symbol this denotes is an element. What is the meaning of this symbol? Its meaning is it is an element. So how it is used? Let's take one example of set. Say set A is a set of all vowels in English alphabets. We know there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So all these 5 vowels are written in curly brackets, and we can see this is the name of the set. A is equal to, between 2 curly brackets, we have written all 5 elements of it. And in that case, we can say that A is the element of set A. How to write this big thing in symbol? Simply, this A is element. So A is an element. This is the meaning of that. E is an element of set A. So how to read this symbolic statement? A is an element of set A. Now we can see that or observe that. Is B element of set A? If the answer is no, then how to write this in symbols? B, this symbol we have written and we have put a cross line or segment and then we have written A. How to read this? B is not an element of set A. So this is an element and this is not an element of this particular set. Now let's see some important sets from alphabets, 26 alphabets. These particular alphabets are used for particular sets. N means it is set of all natural numbers starting with 1, 2, 3 and so on. W is a set of whole numbers starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So W set includes all the elements of natural set plus 0 is an extra element in this. Now I is a set of all integers, Q is a set of all rational numbers and R is set of all real numbers. So whenever we see these letters, alphabets, its meaning we have to understand in this way only. Thank you.